Most survey tools collect answers. InsightFlow carries the entire research process, from a question you want answered to evidence you can actually use. I start with a research objective. In this case, understanding what Y Combinator investors prioritize when they evaluate companies. The AI design assistant does not just produce generic questions. It asks who the audience is, what decisions the study should support, and which trade-offs matter. From that conversation, it builds a structured 6-question interview guide. I can then review the design before anything goes live. Every question remains editable, and I can control the interviewer's persona, tone, follow-up behavior, model, and depth. Those settings determine how persistent or restrained the interviewer should be, while keeping the research objective visible throughout the conversation. The preview is where the difference becomes clear. I can experience the study exactly as a respondent will. When my first answer does not actually address the question, InsightFlow does not blindly move to the next item. The interviewer recognizes the gap, asks what I meant, and then guides the conversation back to the research objective. That is the signal a static form normally loses. From the same workspace, I activate the survey and create a campaign. I select the survey, set a study budget and respondent cap, create a public link, and get a shareable URL and QR code. The fieldwork is connected to the design, instead of living in another tool. As responses arrive, Analyze keeps themes, quotations, transcripts, statistics, and reporting connected. A recent Arlington County voter sentiment study shows what that produces in practice. 41 people answered the lead question. The top line was almost evenly divided, 37% positive and 39% negative. But the conversations explained the split. They surfaced contrasting views of Governor Spanberger, polarized opinions on housing and ranked choice voting, and candid feedback about the interview itself. The resulting 8-page report keeps top lines, supporting quotations, demographics, methodology, and limitations connected to the underlying evidence. A researcher can move from the summary back to what respondents actually said. InsightFlow turns a research objective into an adaptive study, fieldwork, analysis, and a defensible report, all in one production-ready system.